Traditional intercom system configuration for buildings is complex and requires high reliance on tools such as computers. However, NEXhome's intercom system uses advanced technology that effectively improves the efficiency of personnel during project configuration. It relies on its own local area network's Discover mode to greatly reduce the dependence on tools, enabling a simple and efficient configuration of the entire intercom system for the entire project. Therefore, we made this video to introduce in detail how to quickly build a set of apartment building intercom systems through NEXhome's Discover mode. We have already installed 2 door phones and 4 indoor units, and have powered them on. First, we go to the main entrance to set up the door phones. Upon starting up, the devices will display a setup page. After selecting the language, we choose DHCP Discover mode, and the device's IP address is obtained automatically. Then, we change the device name and choose a homepage mode, completing the setup for one door phone. The setup for the other door phone is the same as before. We choose the language and DHCP Discover mode, obtain the IP address automatically, and change the device name. We set this device's homepage to the contacts mode. Once complete, we can see that both door phones and 4 indoor units have been discovered and displayed in the contacts list. Next, we move inside to set up the indoor monitor. Again, we choose the language first, then DHCP network mode, and set up the device name and call number. After saving, we open the contacts list on the homepage and can now make real-time calls to both door phones and perform locking and unlocking operations. The setup for all the indoor monitors is the same. Now that all indoor monitors are set up, we go back to the door phones to see that all the indoor monitors have been added to the contacts list through Discover mode. We can directly make calls between devices. Whether it's 2 door phones from different areas or calling an indoor monitor using the set call number. If we need to add access cards, we can do so directly on the door phones. Firstly, we enter the project password and then add a new contact in the access setting. Next, we add a new card and read it directly. We can also set a new password at the same time. After setup, we can unlock using the card or password. With Discover mode, we can quickly install an intercom system for an apartment project without needing a computer or management software. For more batch operations, we can use the IDMC management platform. Next, we'll show you how to use the IDMC management platform. First, log into IDMC and choose the language and time zone, then select the network card and enter the new password to log in. After logging in, we move to the IDMC main interface and create a new project with the project address as the name. We then go to the device interface and select Scan to find all devices that have been added to the network, and add each device to the project. Once the devices are added, we can perform operations on each device in the device list, such as adding users and their basic information or adding access cards with valid dates and times. Access cards added on the IDMC platform can unlock all door phones of the project. In addition to the basic operations described above, we can also batch upgrade the devices on the firmware subinterface page. The upgrade record can also be viewed on IDMC. There is also a separate access card management function on the platform. We can issue access cards separately to property personnel, or use the visitor management function to generate temporary passes for visitors. On the IDMC platform, all call records of outdoor and indoor units, alarm information of all security zones, and personal information management of property personnel can be viewed. Refer to the device manual for more detailed operations. That concludes our brief introduction to NEXhOme's Discover Mode and IDMC management platform.